What are the ingredients in custard powder?
In this video, we will explore the main ingredients typically found in custard powder, a popular dessert mix that is often used as a base for various sweet treats.
What is custard powder?
Custard powder is a dry, shelf-stable mixture that can be easily transformed into a delicious and creamy custard by simply adding milk and sugar. It was originally created as an alternative to traditional egg-based custard recipes.
What are the primary ingredients in custard powder?
1. Cornstarch. This is the primary ingredient, providing the thickening agent necessary for the custard's smooth and creamy texture. 2. Sugar. Adds sweetness to the custard, though some varieties may be unsweetened, allowing you to control the sugar content. 3. Vanilla flavor. Gives the custard its signature flavor. This can come from natural or artificial sources. 4. Salt. Enhances the overall flavor of the custard. 5. Yellow coloring. Provides the custard with its characteristic yellow hue. This can be derived from natural sources, such as turmeric or annatto, or from artificial colorings.
Are there any additional ingredients or variations?
Milk powder. This can be added to make an instant custard mix that only requires water. Thickeners. Other thickening agents, like modified starch or xanthan gum, can be added to improve the texture of the final custard. Flavorings. Some brands may offer variations with different flavors, such as chocolate, strawberry, or even more exotic flavors like mango or passion fruit. Custard powder is a versatile dessert mix with a handful of simple ingredients. The main components include cornstarch, sugar, vanilla flavor, salt, and yellow coloring. Remember to look out for any additional ingredients or variations when purchasing custard powder, as they can offer a unique twist to your favorite custard recipes. Enjoy experimenting with this convenient dessert mix and create delicious treats for friends and family.